In this video, I will be showing you how to log onto my Moodle site as well as giving you some features of my Moodle site. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get onto the internet, and then you're going to go to moodle.monashores.net. Please notice that on here it does not say www. We do not include that, it just is moodle.monashores.net. Once you do that, you'll be logging in. You'll notice over at the left side of the screen, you're going to have a username and a password. And we are going to go ahead, just as an example, I'm going to log my husband into our course. So here we go. And we'll go ahead and, there we go. And then his password. And then log him in. Alright, the next thing we want to do is find my course, so it's going to be under high school, and then you're going to go down to math and click on math. And then once you do that, we need to find my course, which is AP Calculus, but it is AP Calculus Wiersma. So here we go. And then you'll notice that there is an enrollment key, and we'll do a student enrollment key. That enrollment key is going to be Calculus is cool. There are no spaces or capitals, so Calculus is cool. So CALCULUSISCOOL, and then you're just going to click on Enroll Me. And my husband is now a member of my class. Alright, so now once we get into the site, you'll notice first of all you want to check over to the left hand side. There is, it does say AP Calculus Wiersma, so you are in the right spot. And then the next thing that we want to look at is, if you look over to the left side of the screen, is my This Week blurb. What this is going to show you is everything that's happening during the week. So if you are gone a day or just wondering what was going on during class, forgot, it tells you. You'll notice also just about every night there's something that says PM work. That's going to let you know exactly for sure what you need to do while you are outside of class. So please just make sure you're always looking at that when you're not quite sure. Alrighty, the next thing that I'd like to point you to is the About AP Calculus. So if you click on that, there are a few things in there that you'll need to take care of. The first thing that you're going to look at is, I do have my syllabus posted, so if you'd like to look at that, and your parents will definitely want to take a look at that as well. And then you're going to be completing the student questionnaire, so you'll click on the student questionnaire and fill that out and submit it. And then there's a parent questionnaire that your parents will need to fill out as well. And then we will be getting into a Sailors project, which you will want directions for as well, and they're right there. You can just click on it and it will give you the directions. Alright, so I'm just going to go back here. The next thing that I'd like to show you is where you'll be going in to actually access my course information. So when we get to, we'll actually be starting with Chapter P, so I'm going to go down and go ahead and click on Chapter P. The first thing that I'd like you to notice are the videos. You will be watching video notes at night, and so you'll notice if I assign section P1 video notes, you will be doing all of the video notes in that section. Notice, let me just give you another example. If I ask you to watch the P2 video notes, I will be asking you to watch both of the video notes, so please just keep that in mind. Alright, and now something new this year, you'll notice there's a Kia assignments. That's where your assignments will be happening. So if you click on that, that will actually take you to the Kia page, and that's where you'll be completing your assignment at. Right, and then you'll notice there's one more tab down here, and it's called Resources. If you forgot your notes at school, or you were sick and so you had your notes at school and you'd like to take them at home, then you can go ahead and click on Chapter P Notes, and that will give you the notes, the blank notes that you'll need to fill in for the video notes. And then you'll also notice each time there will be the practice test as well as the solutions for that. And then one other thing that I'd like to show you on this part is if you click on Chapter P flashcards, that will be all of the flashcards that we will be using, all of the different formulas and things that I would need you to memorize. And we'll be having quite a few flashcard quizzes, so when you get done with an assignment early, if you just click on the Chapter P flashcards, that will get you to doing the flashcards. There's all different ways that you can study the flashcards. So I think that gave you a pretty good idea of my site, and so hopefully now you will be able to log into my Moodle site and you know how to navigate your way through.